All right, we are back with Princess Gina, and tonight we are going to give the girl a cheese and broccoli pizza. And we thought we would do this our old style rather than do the mukbang one, since it is pizza. What do you think, girl? Yummy. 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 Let's see if we can eat some apple. Here you go, girl. Yum. Is that yummy, girl? No, that's a Pitbull size bite. Oh my gosh. Here you go, girl. Just inhaling this. You gonna eat the apple? Yum. One big Pitbull bite. Here you go, girl. Yum. 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 No, that's the end of it. All right, good job, girl.